Welcome all. In this video, we will see dependent sources. So, dependent sources are shown by the diamond shape. Okay. Hmm. Now, first point about dependent sources is that it is an active element. That means it is capable of delivering electrical energy. Second point, the source quantity is controlled by another voltage or current. So this is a dependent source, so how much will be the voltage provided by this dependent source is dependent on this voltage. Again, this is a voltage source, dependent voltage source. So how much is the voltage provided by this dependent source is dependent on this current. So second point is that the source quantity, that means this voltage or current, is dependent on other voltage or current. Okay. Then third point, it is very much useful in modeling of certain elements such as transistors, op amps, etc. So transistor, op amps have modeling, and in that modeling we used dependent sources. Okay. Now there are four types of dependent sources. Okay. So first of all, diamond means it is a dependent source. Inside diamond, if plus minus is written, that means it is a voltage source. Inside diamond, if plus minus is written, that means it is a voltage source. Now next thing, to this voltage source, if here with some constant voltage is written, or this source is dependent on some voltage of other branch or to the voltage source, that means it is a voltage controlled. And if current is written to the source, if current is written near to the dependent source, that means it is a current controlled. Okay, I will just repeat. Diamond means dependent source, plus minus means voltage source, plus minus means voltage source. If with some constant voltage is written, means it is a voltage controlled, and with some constant if current is written, that means it is a current source. Now next, third case. So this is a dependent source. Diamond shape means it is a dependent source. Arrow is shown, that means it is a current source. Arrow is shown, that's why it is a current source. Again, arrow is shown inside the diamond, that's why it is a current source. Now to this current source, voltage is written, that's why it is a voltage controlled. With some constant voltage is written, that's why it is a voltage controlled. Now last case, with some constant current is written, that's why it is a current controlled. Okay, very basic points. So diamond means dependent sources, circle means independent sources, circle means independent sources. If plus minus is written, it is a voltage source. If arrows are shown, it is a current source. With that source, if voltage is present, it is a voltage controlled. If current is present, it is a current controlled. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now next, we will do some practice by looking at the source. You have to identify whether it is voltage controlled voltage source, current controlled voltage source, voltage controlled current source, or current controlled current source. This thing you have to identify. I have used the short form, just like for voltage controlled voltage source. I have used the short form VCVS, or in reference books you may find VCVS. The meaning is that voltage controlled voltage source. Okay, so let's proceed for the questions. Okay, so one circuit is given to us, and what is asked? The dependent source shown in the figure is. So one circuit is provided, and we have to tell what type of dependent source is present in the circuit. Okay. So this is nothing but circle means independent source, and this diamond shape means it is a dependent source. Now inside that diamond, arrow is shown, that means it is a current source. So two options are eliminated. That B option is voltage source, C option is voltage source. So these two options are eliminated. Now to this current source, again here current is written 4I0. That means it is a current controlled. So correct answer is it is a current controlled current source. Arrow is shown, that way it is a current source, and again here current is written, that's why it is a current controlled. So correct answer is current controlled current source. Okay, now next one, the dependent source shown in the figure is. Okay, so here is the dependent source. Here is our dependent source. Diamond means dependent source. Now inside diamond plus minus is written, that means it is a voltage source. So B and C option satisfying that it is a voltage source, and A and D options are eliminated. Okay, now next is to this voltage source, here I is written with some constant, I is written, that means it is a current controlled. So B option is also eliminated. So correct answer is current controlled voltage source. Okay, now last one, this is the symbol of op-amp. So here is the dependent source, and inside that dependent source plus minus is written, that means it is a voltage source. Plus minus is written, that's why it is a voltage source, and to that voltage source again here voltage is written, that's why it is a voltage controlled. So your op-amp is a voltage controlled voltage source. Once again I will repeat that here diamond is shown, that means it is a dependent source. Inside diamond plus minus sign is written, and here plus minus sign is written, that's why it is a voltage source, and here again voltage is written with some constant, that's why it is a voltage control. That constant is nothing but the gain of the op-amp. So the operational amplifier is voltage controlled voltage source. Now one concept I would like to ask you, so how much is the current over here? What is the value of current over here? So the answer is, the current here is 0 ampere, because these two loops are isolated, or in other words, according to Kirchhoff's current law, as you can see here, I0 current is coming, so I0 current is also coming from here. How much is the current? I0 current. So this I0 current, this I0 current should flow here also. This I0 current should flow here also. Then only here I will get I0 current. Okay. That's why no current will flow in this ground path. Or you can say that here 4 I0 current is flowing, 4 times I0 times current is flowing. So here also 4 I0 current is flowing. Here also 4 I0 current is flowing. Here also 4 I0 current is flowing. So incoming current is 4 I0, outgoing current is 4 I0. So current here it will be 0 because of KCL to this node. Here is 4 I0, here is 4 I0, so here the current is 0. Okay. Now next is, dependent sources are also called as controlled sources. Dependent sources are also called as controlled sources. Thank you.